So I'm going to go over with you in this video how to submit assignments when you're in Google Slides. So the first thing you want to do is go into the specific class that you want. Go to your classwork, which can be found at the top of your screen. You're going to go to the Google Slide assignment. I'm going to choose the integer rules, addition and subtraction activity. Sometimes by the name you don't actually know what the type of activity is. If you click on the assignment, it will pop up your name and the assignment name and where the assignment is located, whether it's Google Slides, Google Sheets, or Google Docs, or Google Forms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the assignment. It's going to bring me into Google Slides. There might be directions. You have to look on the left side. This activity just has one page and one slide. So I'm going to read my directions. I'm going to drag and drop my answers into the space provided. So I am going to move my answers to where I think they're going to be. This way I can complete my Google Slides activity. If I want to insert a text box, I can with this icon at the top bar right under Format. All right, my name is there. I am going to X out of this Google Slides window. Your Google Slides assignment will automatically update. If you want to double check, you can always click back into your Google Slides, make sure that everything's saved, and you X out of it again. So in order to turn in your assignment, you're going to go below the assignment and click View Assignment. If you want to go ahead and submit the assignment right in, you make sure you click the Turn In button. It's going to confirm that you want to include one attachment, which is the Google Slides. You're going to click Turn In, and then it will say Unsubmit. That means it was turned in, and then you can see turned in by your work. And that is it.